All right, today let's learn about real-time hub. So real-time hub is on the left-hand side pane. So here we go, the real-time hub. So here we'll be seeing streaming data sources such as IoT feeds and many more others they recommended. We can also try some sample scenarios as well. This is the try. Now let's select one of it, maybe the stock market. Let's connect. So here's the sample. What's it shown will be created. So let's click on create. So it's in progress. It says, let's wait for a while. Now our report is getting created. Our database is also in progress. Let's wait. We are almost there. And there we go. The sample items created, it says. So we can open as well. Let's open event house from here. And there we go with our live data. The ingestion 7 days we can see. Since we have just started from today, we are able to see the graphs and stock databases in real time. So we can see the database, it's in running queries 7 days. So we can get many information. We have the monitoring tab here where we can monitor things. And last but not least, we are back to our KQL database where you have the tables or stock table, which was created in the process. Remember, just now from the sample, we have the shortcuts, materialized views. There are no views. So so this is what it goes in a nutshell to begin with real-time hub. So that's it. We have connected a real-time feed into Fabric. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.